Good evening, students. This is the second part of the summary of Arms and the Man, the play by George Bernard Shaw. In the first video, in the first part, we had seen Act 1 and Act 2. Now here we will continue with Act 2. In Act 2, Catherine, when seeing Bluchestill, realizes that this was the man who had hidden in Rena's room, and Rena had helped him to escape. Now Catherine worries that if Mr. Petkoff and Sergius, who were discussing about their plans in the library, might encounter the soldier. Sergius and Petkoff have no idea that the story that they had heard of two Bulgarian women involved in helping a Swiss soldier escaping were their own wife and daughter. Now Bluchestill has come to return Major Petkoff's coat that Catherine and Rena lent him while he was escaping. Rena is so happy to see him that she blurts out, "The chocolate cream soldier." Then she walks in the room, only to recover herself and blame her outburst by the mother Catherine. Petkoff and Sergius, who have in fact already met Bluchestill during the war, ask Bluchestill to stay with them for some time and pass the time. In the final act, the various tensions of the play thus far are exposed. Lorca tells Sergius that the man whom Rena is in love with is Bluchestill. Sergius challenges Bluchestill to a duel because of this, but Bluchestill explains him a way out of it. He is not interested in any kind of chivalries or any act of showing his chivalry. A picture of herself that Rena has placed in the father's coat so that it can be found by Bluchestill is exposed, proving that Rena had not been entirely truthful to Sergius. Rena admits that she has had feelings for Bluchestill since they met the first time. Major Petkoff is taken aback, but Bluchestill acknowledges that he has loved Rena. Sergius and Lorca reveal that they have been having a secret affair. Now Bluchestill also rejects Rena's romantic notions and says that she is too young and he is too old to get married together. Now Nicola releases Lorca from their engagement, and since he had realized that Lorca and Sergius are having an affair, Bluchestill, who comes to know that his father has just died and he has left him a chain of hotels. So Rena's parents are agreeing to marry her off with this handsome man who has a handsome future. Earlier, Rena's mother was a little taken back since she was not knowing of any background of Bluchestill. Rena is revealed to be of age 23 rather than 17, enabling Bluchestill in good conscience to ask for her in marriage. Bluchestill promises to heir Nicola, whom he admires, to run the hotel he had just received as part of his inheritance. Sergius accepts Lorca as in public, thus satisfying Lorca's desire to move up in the social ranks. The play ends with Sergius exclaiming of Bluchestill, "What a man!" This was the play Arms and the Man, written by George Bernard Shaw. It is often called as the anti-romantic play since the hero of the novel, Bluchestill, does not admire any romantic notions of the heroine of the play, Rena, but he marries her simply because of the institution of marriage to be fulfilled. So thank you friends, and I hope you understood and liked this video.